Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by prepping the area, cleanse and dry the brows so the thread grips hair, not oil. Once done, tie a strong cotton thread into a 6/8-inch loop. Make a sliding knot so it opens and closes. You should anchor the loop around both middle fingers, thumbs controlling tension. Make sure to hold the skin taut. This prevents pinching and gives precision. Then, with your dominant hand, test the opening motion on an eyebrow tail to feel the catch before you begin removing hair. You map the shape first. Mark the start, arch, and end with a pencil or your finger. Then work tail to arch, using small 1/4 to 1/2-inch sections so you control shape and density. With the loop pinching hairs, twist the thread 3 to 5 times and glide outward to pull hair from the follicle. This reduces breakage. Make sure to re-stretch skin between passes and step back often to compare both brows for symmetry as you refine the arch and clean the underside. You finish by trimming stray long hairs, comb the brow up and snip minimal lengths to keep shape. Once done, calm the skin with a cool compress or aloe vera, making sure not to irritate freshly exposed follicles. If one brow looks uneven, correct only a few single hairs with precision tweezers rather than re-threading the whole area. This prevents over-thinning. If you encounter redness or ingrown hairs, pause, apply antiseptic, and wait 24-48 hours before touching the area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.